Mandarin Chinese. It may be one of the hardest languages to learn, but it's the most popular course at this school in Islamabad. Teachers here say enrollment in Chinese classes has more than tripled in the past 3 years. Some of the students are hoping for a job with a Chinese company in Pakistan. Others hope to go to China to further their education. University courses there cost a few $1,000s compared to the tens of thousands charged by American and British colleges. Forget Harvard or Cambridge. For some of these young Pakistanis, China is replacing the West. Around 8,000 Pakistani students are already studying in China, and this group is planning to join them.
Some years before, people of Pakistan want to go to America and another country for doing job or somewhere for studying as well. But right now, change came.
In future, this language will go at the top because of the product which they are making in the infrastructure which they are working in Pakistan.
The Gwadar port in Balochistan province is one of Beijing's many large-scale infrastructure projects. It gives China access to the Arabian Sea commercially and, if need be, militarily. China built 2 nuclear power plants here and is contracted to build 2 more. Beijing is Pakistan's main arms supplier, and the 2 countries are jointly developing this fighter jet. But for most Pakistanis, China's influence is felt in more practical ways, in their wallet and at the local markets. And while Pakistan's main trading partner is still the European Union, trade between China and Pakistan surpassed $12 billion for the first time last year. And thanks to a free trade agreement signed in 2006, Chinese consumer products have flooded Pakistan, and they're impossible to miss. Almost everything sold at this shopping center is made in China. The cheap imports have been blamed for hurting some local industries, but many of the shopkeepers we met were happy with the way business was going.
I think 40 to 50% our business was increased with China since past 5 years. China is the superpower at the moment, so we are proud to be a friend of China.
And when it comes to Pakistan's other friend and superpower, the United States,
they're doing drone attack. We need trade, not war. War is not a good thing.
And that's a common view here. According to a recent Pew Research survey, 9 in 10 Pakistanis describe China as a partner, while 74% said they see the U.S. as an enemy.
Pakistanis are by and large pro-China, by and large anti-American, because they feel, rightly or wrongly, that China has never betrayed them, while there is a constant prevalent feeling that, the U.S. is just fickle. They're just fair weather friends. They'll come and smash things up without a regard for the consequences.
But most of these students aren't motivated by politics. Rather, it's the hope for better opportunities. They may not know exactly what changes the coming years will bring, but they're betting that China will play a key role in shaping their future. Lucy Kafanov, RT, Islamabad, Pakistan.